So Tyler, can we name this video how to properly catch dolphin off Miami?
All right, we're here with Captain Bill Sharp, formerly of the engine room. Today, he's of the helm. Captain Bill Sharp, why don't you give us a little lowdown of the game plan for today's fishing extravaganza?
Well, there's been some dolphin out there on the edge. I went halfway to Bimini yesterday. It turned out that was a waste of time. They were right out front, right out of our front doorstep. We're gonna go get some breakfast, baby goggle eyes, and try and catch a couple dolphin today. Maybe even a wahoo. Been 3 caught this week.
Bill, what's your take on the end of the port workers strike, and will you be unionizing soon?
Yes, I stand with my brothers through and through. Obviously, you know, just give more money. Automation.
There you have it, folks. Straight from the source. Today's episode is sponsored by Garmin.
Garmin, for all of your land, air, mountain, and marine needs. You want to get found, you want to be found with Garmin.
Get him, Drew.
That's the cleverest thing you've said.
Good job, Drew. All right, we're here with Drew from Invincible. Drew is
On a SeaVee.
Okay. Hey, Drew, why don't you tell us a little bit about what just happened with that school of dolphin?
Well, we got a nice one on the troll, and then Captain Tyler got one on a pitch bait. Not bad, not bad. Got one nice gaff shot, one not so nice gaff shot, but I don't know if we got that on film.
You heard it here, folks. We didn't get the not nice gaff shot on film, but I'm sure we will get a not nice gaff shot on film later today. Good job, Nick.
Good job, next. I think that's the bigger of the two. Half fish, half water. Nick's got a keeper, Drew's got a keeper. Any followers? No, Nick just, yeah. Two fish right behind the boat, right behind the boat. Nick's is not a keeper, but the one following his fish is. Nice fish, Tyler. There's another, he's charging you. Nice. Nice.
Leave this guy in and pitch bait?
Yeah, put him in the forward rod holder and get another line. There's six fish behind the boat. All right. Don't let me lose that bamboo. We got to go back to that. Oh yeah, that's a gapper.
This guy might keep milk.
He might. Play him in. Sorry.
Anybody got tape?
Back here. Anything over 20, throw in the box. Hell yeah, put him in. Nice work. Will we get 3 out of that? Oh, there's a floater. Nice.
From earlier paid off. Found that frigate working probably 10 yards from the line we were running. Had a nice little piece of driftwood underneath them. We picked up a couple dolphin in classic West Palm Beach fashion. We were mugged by another local angler that saw us with some fish on. Got the spread back out. We're gonna keep working this temperature and current change. We've actually got a little bit of seaweed building up, looking like it wants to be a weed line someday. It wants to be a big boy weed line, but it's gonna take a week or two. Tyler had an excellent gaff shot on a fish earlier, also fed a fish beautifully. I was adding another 2 to the box, so you know, cheers to Tyler. We're gonna probably stay on this for the next 45 minutes, and then we're gonna make a move, head in a little farther south, a little shallower, and see what we can pull out of our hats.
Oh, you want me to get the gaff for that bad gaff shot we brought in? No, you gotta hold it out so it looks bigger.
Mr. Nantucket Bluefin.
Captain Tyler Claw is responsible for 2 of these fish, and he won't take a picture with them. It's ridiculous. Those 2 were Tyler's fish, and everybody at home knows which 2 I'm pointing at.